So here we will be solving the case of a cylinder, development of a cylinder. So it is very important to draw the front view, top view of a cylinder before starting with the development. So to draw the top view first, we have drawn the circle as a top view. The dimensions are given 60 mm diameter and height of the cylinder is 100 mm. So first we have drawn the circle as a top view, because whenever we are making any solid, it is very important to draw the top view first, and top view will be always a polygon. So circle we have drawn first, and now axis we have projected so that we can locate the height over the axis, and then we have taken the projectors from the circle, and now we will complete the front view of the cylinder. Now let us say here we are getting the height 100. So from this line I'll be making one horizontal line of or what you can do is you can simply create a marking also. That can be also a nice thing. I'll be making one horizontal line. It will represent the height 100 mm. Now it is very easy for us. We will just connect this projector to this line. We will make perpendicular. So now the front view of the solid is also available. Just imagine this solid is kept over the horizontal plane. Horizontal plane will act as a XY line. This is the front view of the cylinder, and this is the top view of the cylinder. Now, when we cut the cylinder, just imagine if we cut the lateral surface of cylinder, how much would be the length of rectangle that we will be getting? Who will tell me? Who will tell me? How much would be the length of the rectangle that we will be getting if we cut the cylinder? How much is this distance? Periphery of a circle. Yes, it is pi d, 2 pi r, है ना? Circumference of a circle. So if we cut the cylinder from its lateral surface from any edge, let us say we will mark now those corners of a circle, because we will assume it as a prism, right? So we will mention the names here. 1. It is what you can do is you can also divide the circle in 8 parts. 45-degree angle you can take, and you can divide the circle in 8 parts. Not an issue. I have divided it in 4 parts. So now I have given names to the corners, because if we assume it as a prism, it should have some corners, right? Some points. Now this is for the bottom circle. Now for the top circle, top face, we will give some another name like ABCD. Okay, so A, B. Are you getting what I'm telling you, everyone? C. Any doubt in this? And D.
No, ma'am.
So cylinder is having two faces. One is bottom surface. For the bottom, we have given name 1, 2, 3, 4. For the top surface, we have given ABCD. Now you tell me, if this is the bottom of the circular polygon, what should be the point name here? Bottom circle we have mentioned by 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is this point now? Very good, perfect. और top surface का क्या नाम रहेगा? इस corner का? Very good. अब यहाँ पे बताओ क्या नाम आएगा बॉटम में? This will be 2, 4. 2 points will coincide here, right? 2, 4. और यहाँ पे क्या आएगा?
B, D.
Very good. Now here point number 3, and here point number
C.
Very good, perfect. Now we will start for the development. I'll choose the different color, and we will take the projection lines. We will take the projection. So now the development start. Everybody pay your attention here. Now the development start. What we will be doing, the height of the cylinder we will be taking as a projector. Okay. So bottom already we have through XY line. Now what we will be doing, we will start, let us start We will keep this as it is. Now we will have a line which will start from any point closer to this. From any point, we will start with the first face of the cylinder, and suppose we will name it as, let us say, this name of this is 1 to a na. Suppose I shall name it 1 and a. So if this point is 1 and suppose this point is a, okay, so we have started, our cylinder is starting from here. Now if we cut the cylinder and if we open it completely, so its length would be pi d or 2 pi r. So we will mark the distance of 2 pi r here. Okay, we will mark the distance of 2 pi r here. Yeah, say suppose, just imagine, now the distance is, okay, up to this point we have distance 2 pi r. Okay, now I shall mark the distance. Raude. Let it be Raude. Thank you. So here I have drawn two lines so that I can. Why I have drawn this line? These are the dimension extension line. You know, you have given the dimensions in orthographic. So these are the dimension extension line. You can give the dimensions here. So I will make it dark now. This portion should be drawn using thick line. This is the final development of a cylinder. First line, then this is second line, line 1 to A. Any doubt up to this? Please ask me if you have any doubt. Anyone? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the final development. Now we have given some name 1 to A. Okay. So what we will do now, we have divided the circle in equal 4 partners. So we will divide this pi d distance using arrow. You can write this dimension. Now I cannot draw the arrows, but I shall simply create a dimension line here, and I shall try to write the dimension over this line. So here the distance is pi d. Now writing pi is also not easy here, or write pi d just to make you understand, but you have to write the symbol pi. Okay, so we have divided the circle in 4 parts. Why we are doing the next construction? Because if it is a prism, we have to represent the generators also. For a circle, I have shown 4 generators. So we will divide this pi d distance in equal 4 part. So we will divide, how to divide any polygon into equal division. I'll just tell you in a short way. Please listen carefully. What you have to do, using construction lines, what we will be doing, we will be making one line here at an angle of, at any acute angle. Okay, now we will take any distance in the rounder, any distance, let us say 10 mm, let us say 15 mm, any distance in the rounder, and we will cut arc of the same distance, let us say 15 mm. We have to divide this in equal 4 division. Now pi d length will come some 125.6. How to divide it in equal division? So it is very difficult. So therefore this is the method, graphics method, how to divide it. And now what we have to do, we will be making line from this end point, to this end point. And now you keep your roll and draw parallel to this, and you keep on making line parallel to this. Are you getting, everybody? So by making this line, now we can ensure that this segment is divided in equal division. ये समझ में आया सबको? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Get it. Okay. So now we have divided it in equal division. What we have to do now? Now once we have divided it in equal division, we will be making the generators also here. 1, 4 divisions we have done. Now I am making it randomly as I haven't done with the measurement. In your case, you can do it properly with measurement. So these are the 4 divisions. These are the 4 generators of the cylinder. Now we will give the name. Now listen carefully. This is point number 1. We will have here point number 2. Here we will have point number 3. Here we will have point number 4. And again we will have point number 1. Have you understood? The generator from which we cut the cylinder, it will appear twice. 1 to 1. Cut complete हो गया. 1 से cut किया. 1 will appear again. Here we have started with A. Now we'll write B here. Then here we will have C. Then here we will have point D. And again we will have point. कौन बताएगा कौन सा point आएगा यहाँ पे? Point A will appear here. इसमें किसी को कोई doubt है? Now listen carefully. Instead of cylinder, अगर यहाँ पे स्क्वायर होता तो ऐसे ही 4 डिवीजन मिलते. जनरेटर्स के नाम ऐसे ही देने हैं. ओके. यहाँ पे अगर पेंटागन होता तो हमने क्या किया होता है? यहाँ पे कितने पार्ट होते? कौन बताएगा? फास्ट बताओ अभी मुझे. इफ पेंटागोनल प्रिज्म का अगर हमने किया होता तो यहाँ पे कितने डिविजन्स मिलते हमें? आंसर 5. ओके, वेरी गुड. सो